nice nut.
Yeah. So just a quick recap. This support level feels all right. There was some buying pressure here. The VWAP reversed. I'm ready to be long north of 596 up to 600. And looking if it clears 602, that's great. 607, 610, 613. If this fails tomorrow and gets below 593, I'm short one here. And then if it breaks below 591, which is this, I'll put a second position here and expect another $6 drop. The quick summary on what we were talking about before.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's basically everything I got for tonight. I mean, I just think the 2, 3, 10, I think are tradable on the SPY. I used the 30-minute like this one to give me the guide of the size of the multi-day channel, which to me right now is this 612 to 592. So that's a $20.
Knight G8 to F6.
That's a $20 channel right there.
Okay.
So really the rule of force is anything north of 597 is kind of the must buy, and then 602 is halfway, 607 is 3/4, and then 612. That would give you the 3.
Yeah.
Other than that, that's what I got.
Okay. Well, thanks. I appreciate your time tonight. We'll see you next week. Are you also doing your nightly podcast?
Yeah, I normally do unless there was nobody uploaded anything into the chat room, and I didn't do one last night because the coaching call went late.
Got it. Okay.
And no, and I had the room open and there was nobody there, and I was just talked out. I didn't have anything else to say. So
no, I got you. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks. I'll reach out to you in a couple days or so.
All righty.
Thanks, Ken.
Yep. Take good care, Jay.
You too. Bye-bye.